Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add Afterpay to PayPal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, it's a very simple method. All you gotta do is simply access your paypal.com on your browser. Can be on any device that you prefer. Right over here you have to make sure that you are on this section of the card where you can see the option of link card right over here. Once you tap on link a card option, you simply have to link a card on your PayPal. That's gotta be the information and the card of a Afterpay. Now you might wonder, Afterpay card, but the Afterpay does offer virtual cards, so you might have access to it. That's the easy way to do so. Get the virtual card information, which will include the debit or credit card number. Add in over here, select your card type, what card type is your virtual card, and add in the expiration date. Add in the security code as example as it is shown in the back of your card, and adding the billing address for yourself, and tap on link card and your card will be linked, and that's how you will be able to link Afterpay to PayPal. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.